And we are in front of pretty interesting Globe Traveler Voyager X on the Fiat Ducato chassis with the final price of 118,500. And entering inside, you can check the actual fantastic layout that they have made. Firstly, there is a bed on top of it, and you fold this down, putting the bed and actual all of that just like an additional bed right up there. Then we have these captain chairs on the Fiat Ducato chassis with pretty nice sitting area. And on this part, Dometic 2-burner stove with Dometic sink. All the control panels are down there, and some slightly thinner situation for the storage unit right up here. And on the back, additional storage like cupboards. Well, pretty nice, slide outs and hooks. Nice. And then a French style bedding with a lot of storage all around here. So we have 4 big cabinets and also additional cabinetry pretty deep right up here. And then additional cabinets, well, right up there. And then an additional cabinet here, so you have a ton of storage. We have the Dometic fridge. Probably it's locked, but it's approximately 100 liters. And then additional cabinets all the way down there, and cabinets for all your kitchen cookware situation here. Pretty big amount of storage space. That's nice. And then if we go from this side, we are looking at a nice shower, and it's completely ready to shower. And then you have a drop down with the sink if you want to wash your teeth. That looks pretty great. Well, this is a Globe Travel design with the third bed made right up here. And then getting out to get on the back, so you can understand that we have also the garage under the bed with a lot of space for your belongings all around here. And it's like here with the cassette toilet emptied from the back. Well, not bad. Let's go around and check a final word about this new Globe Trail Voyager X from the Fiat Ducato new chassis.